don't look weird. What's up YouTube fam?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candace, and I know I'm looking crazy right now, but today I'm going to show you guys how to do cocoon curls. So I actually saw this from Bree Hall. She did a video about this. It was like a TikTok hair hack or something like that, and so she did this on her hair, and I just wanted to try it and see if I can do it on mine. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So as you can see, I already did majority of my head except for the front. I saved the front for you guys so I can show you how to do it. So in Bree Hall's video, she did hers on blow dried hair, but I just didn't feel like doing that, so mine is on wet hair. And for my styler, I'm using the Lustrous Pink Curl and Twist Pudding. So we're going to see how that goes. It's honestly very simple. I watched Bree Hall do it once and I was able to get it, so I'm going to show you guys the same way. So first, like I said, I'm starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair. Now since I've been working on the back, my hair has dried out a little bit, so I'm just going to get my water bottle and spray it and detangle a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to take this styling cream and just apply it to my hair. Alright, and now that I have all of the products in, I'm just going to start off with a regular 2-strand twist. So now that you have your twist, what you want to do is get 2 fingers and put it down maybe like 1 or 2 inches away from the root, depending on how long or short your hair is. And then you want to get the rest of this twist, twist it around those 2 fingers and bring it right here so we can start twisting. And you want to wrap the twist all the way up your hair to the root. Like this. And then with this, what makes it stay is that you have to wrap the ends of it very, very tightly around the root of your head. Like get it all the way in there. And bam, there you go. Alright, so I'm going to show you again because I hope I explained that well, but you know, I'm trying to explain it. So again, I'm just going to go through and brush my hair and get some of my styling cream. I'm not adding, I don't know, you can't see it's so white, but I'm not adding that much to the front because the front of my hair is the thinnest. So I'm not adding as much as I would to the middle or the back of my head. And then I do my 2-strand twist. And again, while I'm twisting, I'm going through and detangling to make sure I get rid of all the knots. And then again, I'm going to get my 2 fingers, place it about 1 inch down from the root of my hair, get the rest of my twist, wrap it around those 2 fingers, and then just start wrapping the rest of my hair up towards the root. Alright, so now I'm just going to do the last remaining 2. I only have 2 left, just splitting my hair in half. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this one real quick, and then when I get to this one, I'm going to explain it again for you. Alright, so now I'm down to my last one, and I'm sorry if you guys feel like I'm explaining this too much. I just want to make sure that you guys get it, because I know with me, when I watch tutorials, I want an explanation, and I want it shown to me about 2 or 3 times, you know, besides me having to keep rewinding. So I just want to make sure that I explain it to you guys and show you guys as much as possible. And again, now that I have my 2-strand twist, I want to get 2 fingers, place it about 1 inch down from the root of my twist, wrap it around my finger, and start wrapping it up towards the root of the twist. And you want to make sure that you wrap the ends really, really tight. Alright, so I have them all in, and it didn't take me as long as I expected. I want to say maybe it took me like 1.5 hours to do, but I mean, that's not too bad for me. So yeah, I have them all in. I'm not going to sit up under the dryer. I'm just going to let them air dry for, I don't know, however long. And then I will come back to you guys when it's time for me to take them out. Alright guys, so I'm back, and it took me longer than expected. It is Thursday, which means it is Sunday. 4 days later. So it took me 4 days to come back and record this video, only because I kept saying when I take it down I'm gonna put some makeup on, and I never felt like putting makeup on. And I was just like, girl, if you keep waiting until you feel like putting makeup on, this video ain't gonna be recorded. So I was like, let me just go ahead up here. So here I am, still with no makeup on, y'all be all right. Throughout the 4 days, some of them were like coming loose. I would go back and retwist them or whatever. But yeah, they're still looking good for the most part. Just to be on the safe side, I'm going to put some oil on my hands, and I'm going to use the Curly Tropical Oils blend right here from Curly Bell just to make it easier to unravel. And yeah, we're going to see how it goes. Just quick thoughts from, you know, what I'm thinking. I don't think it's going to come out that cute, but we going to see what she looking like. Alright y'all, so I took all the little cocoons out, and this is what it's looking like so far. Y'all, it just looks weird. Like the twist part, like it's defined, but the part where you wrap it around your ends, it just looks weird because all of a sudden it'll just start like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just like it just starts going to a different direction. So I think I need to separate some of these, maybe to make it look more full or something. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm not mad at it, but I don't love it. This gives you like messy bedhead curls. Like, it's not horrible, but it's not like, oh, I want to do this again either. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I've gotten better hairstyles, better curls, doing different things. Like I said, it's not bad, it's not horrible, but it ain't all that either. It's just there. Like, that's the only way I can explain it. It's just there. Alright y'all, so I'm back, and I did a side part instead, and I like it a little bit better with the side part. But yeah, I'm still just not like in love with it, but I mean, it's a look, it's a vibe. It's not the vibe I'm going for, but it's something. I feel like it might get better once I pineapple it tonight and stretch it. I don't know, I just feel like with all that time and effort I put into making sure that those twists were detangled and perfect and moisturized and twisted just so elegantly for those dang cocoons, for me to end up with like the messy bedhead look, it don't equal out. It don't equal out. Alright guys, let me know what y'all think in the comments, like for real, because I don't really know how to feel about this. It's like I like it, but I don't, but I do, but I kind of do. I really don't know what to think. I feel like if you ask me if I like it, I'll be like yes, no, kind of, sort of, not really, maybe. Like that would be my answer, because I'm just like, I don't know. Oh, let me give y'all a full view before I forget.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Hey y'all, so I just wanted to come back and tell you guys that I think the more I play with it and the more that it gets older, the more I like it. Because it's the next day is stretched and everything is stretched overnight or whatever, and I like it more now. It's still giving me that like messy bedhead look. Like it is not perfect curls or whatever. Like it's crinks and kinks and curls, and it's like everything mixed up in here. But you know, as it's getting older, I think I like it. I think I like it. Alright y'all, so that's the end of this video. Again guys, let me know what you think of this hairstyle below. If you got any tips, anything that you would do differently, you know, to help a sister out. I probably, like I said, this is probably not a style that I will go back to. I'm just gonna, you know, let it fall by the wayside. It ain't my thing. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video if you care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.